So with each template, you can change the background color so that it has the color that you want it to have. And how we do this is once we click on the template that you want to work on the left hand side, you can also see that the format selection is highlighted or it's depressed, and in this section you'll find something called background, and that actually there's like a little arrow that you can kind of click to expand it down further. At the moment it's selected the color fill, but in other cases you could even put in an image fill, or you could put in a gradient if you'd like as well. However, for the ones that we have set up, the color palette is located under color fill. So in order to get the color palette that we've set for this document, you just click on the little rainbow icon in this little section here, and it will allow you to see the palettes at the bottom of the pop-up. So basically you've got 8 different colors to choose from, and all you have to do is just select the color that you're after, and it's pretty easy to change the background. And then once you're happy, just close everything down and then the background color is changed.